What's good, family? What's good? How we doing today? Peace and love. Appreciate everyone for tapping in with the brothers here at crypto/atomics.crypto. Your brother AD2X _ official with a 0. And your brother Alex L. Robert Salter. Now we're going to give it a few minutes here. We're going to wait for a few people to join the live. And then we will get started. If anybody have any questions, you can contact us at AD2X _ official with a 0 on Instagram, and Alex L. Robert on Instagram or Facebook. And you can even message us on Telegram at 412-722-8205. And also my brother, my business partner, at Alex L. Robert on Telegram as well. Now tonight, family, we are going to be talking about a couple different topics. We are going to be discussing ways you can purchase a altcoin gem, and we will be discussing some great news in the crypto space and also in the centralized gaming space and how they plan to partner in the future. So yeah, family, first thing we're going to be discussing is the Pikachu token. Now here you can see a little bit of information on the token. You can see how it has been moving. So right now you can see it's on sale. This is what I call a sell. A negative 30% in the middle of a bull market. Now Pika was a 100% meme based token, but as I'm going to show you here today, they have been working in the dark on some amazing projects. Participate in Pika's first exchange listing fundraiser. Simply click the donate button, use the QR code or the address provided to donate either Ethereum or US dollar Tether, and you're all done. Here you could join their social sites and see what's going on with the token, see how it's popping on Telegram, Discord, Twitter, and whatever that symbol is with the bar graph. Here's some tokenomics. The Pika token has primitive tokenomics designed to sustain organic growth with a few unique characteristics. Check it out. Original supply is 100 trillion tokens. But don't fear and never worry, because 50% is burnt, 25% to Vitalik Buterin, and 25% to Andrei Kronich. So it is being burnt between these two people here. 50% token locked. Tokens are locked in Uniswap pool. No team token. So the creators and the community who created the token, designers or whatever, developers, they do not have some tokens stored away, hodling, controlling and manipulating the market. Everything is fair and secure and safe. As you can see, admin keys burnt, so that nobody has no ownership over this project. Liquidity locked forever. Yes, our liquidity is locked forever. Welcome to Pika's token. You can get it here on Uniswap, which is a great decentralized exchange, or Whitebit, which is a pretty good centralized exchange. The difference between that is private and public. Online games coming soon. Link to NFTs as well, and marketplace. How to buy Pika. Like I said, you can get it on Uniswap and Whitebit. There's also a video that can show you as well, like I'm going to show you here in a little bit. You can click on this video to get a second insight, or you can contact me and I can help you set it up. Here's a timeline on the token. This is the contract address right here. You will copy and paste that. And this is where you see the token did a 2,156% gain in 14 days. So I put in about $80, family, and I made a couple $1,000 with this token when it did its quick pump. Now you could have taken it all out. You could have left some in and get a little bit of profits, pull out a little bit of profits, or you could have pulled it all out if you wanted to, or you could have just left it there, and wait for the next pump, because like I said, we're in the middle of a bull market. So what the token did was it leveled itself out. It corrected itself here. After you saw that pump in the middle, that mountain, it decided to level itself out when it had its correction. I think it's above like 30 of a hundredth, 10,000th with the TH, everything after the decimal. Well, here's their timeline. New website design. They got listed on CoinMarketCap. New design. Pika stickers. Pika meme contest. First NFT giveaway. Listed on CoinGecko. Listed on Delta. Listed on Coin Audit. Partnership and community AMAs. First marketing campaign. Charity and donations. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. It was a little bit more than that. It's 46 of a 100,000th or something like that. Everything after the decimal. 1 through 4, you could check the tokens chart on these 4 different exchanges, public exchanges. And here's a list of frequently asked questions that you can click on and get the answer to on CoinGecko once you click the website of the token. So yeah, family, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crypto Atomics. Click the notification bell and share. Here is a little bit of our offerings here. We are doing $99 US. Soon we will be upping it to the original price of $200 US, and by next year we will probably even be going a little higher annually. So hurry up and get in. You don't want to miss this information that we are giving out. We do our due diligence and we get our information from deep inside the rabbit hole. And what we are doing here is we are basically just trying to share it with our people, because we are usually the last to know everything, and we are usually the last to be properly set up financially in this competition and world that we live in today with everyone else. Here is our private daily Discord group where we are updating with information literally almost on the hour, every hour. And this here is separately. You can get this package. It is $20 US monthly. It is a phenomenal way to stay tapped in. If you can't catch all the videos and you are interested in rather getting updated through text messaging and alerts, this is perfect for you. Here also, here's the Twitter on Pika token. They have almost a community of 7,000 followers. And they are consistently tapped in with the page. Like I said, the last message here was 45 minutes ago. And another great way you can stay tapped in with these tokens, family, like I mentioned before, is Telegram and Discord, family. There is almost 5,000 followers in this Telegram group. And as you see here, there is 10.1K messages in less than a day on this token. So that goes to show you how tapped in this community is, how tapped in they are with Pokemon and Pikachu memes and everything like that. And if you didn't know, Pokemon and trading cards and Yu-Gi-Oh cards are making a comeback. Collectibles, digital assets are making a comeback. Now here is MetaMask. This is how you will be utilizing the directions to getting the Pikachu token, because it is a ERC20 Ethereum based token. It was created on the Ethereum mainnet. So here you have a wallet with some Ethereum and other tokens in it. And when you have Ethereum, you have the opportunity to swap for any token that is listed in your MetaMask. You have to put these tokens here from CoinGecko. Copy and paste the address. So here we will be typing in uniswap.exchange, and mine's automatically connects to my wallet because it does not need any personal information. It does not need your birth certificate, your social security, your ID, or anything. It just needs your decentralized address to your private wallet, and it'll connect you straight to the private exchange with 100% security, ran by the algorithm of the robot. No individuals involved, family. So as you see here down at the bottom, that number is my address. It is sort of like a routing number. So also you can also invest in Uniswap, which is a great exchange. Not a financial advisor, just documenting my journey on the future of money and this new asset class with you. Uniswap is a great exchange and will be worth a lot more in the future. Now here you will either paste the address, or if the token is already listed, you could just type it in. I already have it imported in my private wallet, so I will not be importing it again. I do not know if that will mess anything up. So what you can do is you can click import, and once you connect the token with your wallet, you can select the token or any token you choose, type in the amount that you want out of Ethereum, and you can purchase the token. Now, if you don't know how much $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 of Ethereum is, you can always do what? Switch to Google, or I would rather you use Brave browser or DuckDuckGo, because they are a more decentralized browser than Google or Bing, and you can type in the exchange amount for how much ever US dollar you want to exchange for that cryptocurrency. Now it usually only works with more known tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, so on and so forth. So sometimes it won't give you the amount right off the rip, so you will have to go in and find a calculator. Find a good calculator. That's what I'm looking for now. And you type it in. Or sometimes if the website you clicked is tapped in with cryptocurrency, you can scroll down here and it'll have it here. The conversions right here for you in simple denominators to, you know what I'm saying, basically keep it easy. Sorry, family, I'm drinking a little bit of water here. Trying to stay fresh, you know what I'm saying. Now we're going back to the browser. And like I said, you put in, you paste if you can. Sometimes you can't do it because of the secret, not the secret, but the safety. They don't want you to be copying and pasting from public to private websites, which is a lot smarter. So, you understand, trade at your own risk. Make sure the token, you copy and paste it here. You see the copy symbol at the bottom. It is better than doing the pasting and copying. You just click the symbol and you can get the whole address. Make sure you're on your Ethereum account and not your Binance account, mainnet. And you see when I did the swap, I have my Pikachu tokens. Well, here first I'm gonna show you how you paste it, go out, it'll pop up, add the token. I'm not gonna add it because I already had it. I already have it right here, as you see, Pikachu. So I got a little bit of Pikachu token in my account, about $350 US dollars worth. Got a good bit of the token. So, this is one meme project that I believe is going to do pretty well in the future. because it's the way that they're going about this thing. They're not just keeping it a piece of entertainment. They're actually creating and building on top of it. So yeah, when you connect Ethereum to whatever token, it'll say how much ever token you're trying to swap down here from the from to the to on Uniswap or even Pancake Swap. They're just literally the same. One Ethereum, which is Uniswap, and Binance is Pancake Swap. Now you might have to go to the settings at the top of next to swap and change the percentage of the speed of how it's being transacted. Sorry, family, this is my Amazon shopping list. Need a little bit of coffee, you know what I'm saying, and a few other things. Now here is Brave browser. This is what it looks like in the intro when you type on the link or the browser. It blocks for you trackers, hackers, ads, anything you don't want. I have 31K blocked. I have 957 megabytes saved of data as I stream and browse on this website. It is helping you. It is connected with BAT, Basic Attention Token, which is a great token to also look into. Also, family, it helps with decentralization, and they are doing more on in the cryptoverse. Now we will be going to Cointelegraph, and we will be talking about a very special surprise, which is the collaboration of Uniswap, Tezos, and I forgot the name of the lab, but it'll be popping up here soon. But it's a gaming lab, a game and graphic designing lab. Gaming giant Ubisoft to become corporate baker on Tezos network. Ubisoft, the video game studio behind popular titles such as Assassin's Creed, Prince of Persia, and the Tom Clancy series, will become a corporate Tezos baker and validator node. In a statement issued on Tuesday, Ubisoft announced its partnership with Tezos, backed, here it goes, family, Nomadic Labs. That's what I was talking about. That will see the later creating a validator node on the Tezos network. Now, creating a validator node is when you put a large amount of money into a project. Because why? Ubisoft, they what? Believe in Tezos. They believe in the blockchain. They believe in privacy and decentralized gaming, and the Tezos network to be the future of what they have to offer, which is graphic designing, RPG games. You know, Ubisoft is one of my favorite games because I'm really into story mode games. I'm really into, being able to get my buck's worth out of a game. Something I could play for a while. Something with, updates and how they have expansion packs and everything like that. Ubisoft is exploring Tezos technology by becoming a corporate baker. Welcome to the ecosystem. As a Tezos baker, Ubisoft, via its Strategic Innovation Lab, will join the group of validator nodes that authenticate and add transaction blocks on the network. So there's more than one validator node. Ubisoft is not the first one to do this with Tezos and other tokens, family. There's a lot of people that believe in this space. Baker also distributes rewards earned from validator transactions to wallets that have delegated their stake on Tezos, XTZ. According to the announcement, the move to become a Tezos baker is part of Ubisoft's broader plans of exploring the opportunities provided by novel technologies like the blockchain. Following the announcement, the video game company will be added to the list of 277 bakers on the Tezos network. So there are 277 validators within this network. Commenting on the company's decision to run a validator node on the Tezos network, Nicholas Porrad, blockchain initiative director at Ubisoft, stated, Ubisoft believes that blockchain has the potential to bring new possibilities to players and developers alike, and this new collaboration will allow us to pursue our innovation effort with the ecosystem that aligns with our environmental friendly approach thanks to its proof of stake consensus algorithm. I'll be saying those words all the time, fam. You better look up the definition on that. Indeed, Tezos is not the first blockchain project to attract Ubisoft's attention in the area of the transaction authentication. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, Ubisoft became a block producer on the UOS network back in January 2020. With emerging developers at the intersection of blockchain and gaming, Ubisoft has been reportedly exploring adoption cases for novel technology in gaming to remain competitive in the industry. So I believe that's why they've been doing so good, with their game. Sorry, family, I took a chug of water. That's why they've been doing so good and staying competitive, because they have been tapping into blockchain technology, family, the basics and fundamentals, and going deeper down the rabbit hole. That's what we trying to show you how to do. We trying to show you how to get tapped into the future of money, so as many of us do not get left behind on the railroad tracks, so many of us do not be getting left behind and eating other individuals' dust. We need to stay competitive. We need to stay sharp as a people, and we need to get that attitude out of nigga-like mentalities and onto more rulership. Yeah, family. So now we're going to look up a little bit more due diligence on Tezos. That was a little bit more there about Ubisoft and the lab, Nomadic Labs. Now here, Tezos has been performing pretty mildly throughout the market. It hit a high of, I think, about $11, about almost a month ago, and it has been on sale. This is a sell, family. You can't look at this as you know what I'm saying? Just negatively. You know what I'm saying? This is a sell. This is a sell. You can get in here, not financial advice. You can get in here, ride the market, and if you need to pull out whenever it goes over a new all-time high, you can do that. Pull some out, leave some in. You could drop a bag in there when it go up and double your money. You could pull it all out, or you could just let it ride to the market. To the market, it's supposed to crash by the end of the year. Now here's some due diligence on Tezos. Tezos is a coin created by a former Morgan Stanley analyst, Arthur Bretman. It is a smart contract platform which it does not involve in mining Tezos coin. It is a coin that promotes themselves on major ideas of self-amendment and co-chain government. It is an Ethereum-like blockchain that hosts smart contracts. You understand? Ethereum-like, meaning that it does what Ethereum did. Ethereum is the genesis of creating a blockchain. So other tokens create their blockchains on top of Ethereum's blockchain family. It allows the community to vote and improve its flaws. Any token holder may delegate their voting rights to others in the network. The coin uses a generic network shell which allows different transactions and consensus protocols that a blockchain needs to be compatible. The source code is implemented on OCaml, which is a fast, flexible, and functional programming language which should suit an ambitious project and its technical requirements. Tezos' proof of stake consensus algorithm is different from the delegated proof of stake depots, where they go by the name liquid proof of stake. This liquid proof of stake that Tezos uses focuses in filling the gaps between both security and decentralization, but still being able to take advantage of the benefits that delegated proof of stake offers. The staking process in Tezos is called baking. In this blockchain, bakers who make deposits will be rewarded for signing up and publishing blocks. However, if a baker commits any bad behavior, the deposits will be forfeited. Baking and endorsing. Baking is what Tezos refers to as the action of signing and publishing a new block in the chain. Bakers need at least 8,000 XTZ to qualify as a delegate, and having additional delegated stake increases their chance of being selected as a baker or endorser. At the beginning of each cycle, 4,096 blocks, the bakers I'm sorry, family. Let me say that again. At the beginning of each cycle is 4,096 blocks. The bakers for each block are randomly selected and published. Bakers earn a block reward of 40 Tezos for baking a block. In addition to the baker, 32 endorsers are randomly selected to verify the last block that was baked. Endorsers receive 2 XTZ for each block they endorse. That is where I am, family. I earn about that much every month. Every month. Block rewards and inflation. Block rewards are funded by protocol defined. Inflation rewards are calibrated so that the number of XTZ tokens grow at roughly 5.5% per year. The US dollar doesn't even do that. If 100% of Tezos tokens are delegated, the annualized yield will be 5.5%. Currently, 38% of Tezos tokens have been delegated, including the 10% owned by the Tezos Foundation, so that the annualized yield is currently 14%. To ensure bakers and endorsers act honestly, they are required to post a security deposit for each block they bake or endorse. They forfeit this deposit in the event of malicious activity, such as double baking or double endorsing a block. In 2018, Tezos successfully launched their main network after delaying the launch due to corporate governance disputes. The Tezos Foundation planned to transition the network to a mainnet or a more complete version. The foundation has also raised $232 million in July 2017 to build the network and issue a type of cryptocurrency to the, you know what I'm saying, to the people. Security focused, upgradable, built to last. Tezos is an open source platform for assets and applications backed by a global community of validators, researchers, and builders. Now you can get started and you can learn how to, or if you already know how to build websites and contracts and graphic design and anything you know how to do, you can build it here in a private way on the Access Developer Portal on Tezos. Tezos address key barrier facing blockchain adoption to date, smart contract safety, long-term, upgradable, and open participation. Secure institutional grade smart contracts. Tezos is designed to provide the safety and code correctness required for assets and other high value use cases. Its native smart contract language, Michelson, facilitates formal verification, a methodology commonly used in mission critical environments such as the aerospace, nuclear, and semiconductor industries, which is that's good news as well to know that. Upgradable to the state of the art. Tezos modular architecture and formal upgrade mechanism allows the network to propose and adopt new technological innovations smoothly as they emerge. These aspects, combined with Tezos on-chain invoicing mechanism, enables the protocol to remain the state of the art long into the future. Open participation and incentive alignment. In Tezos, all stakeholders may participate in the network upgrades by evaluating, proposing, or approaching amendments. Unlike in proof of work and other proof of stake networks, all stakeholders can help to secure the network via baking or delegating and avoid being diluted or inflated. So we all know the US dollar is creating a lot of inflation. They printed 60% of money more than they did in the whole history of money this year and last year, 2020, with them stimulus checks. Current openings across the Tezos ecosystem. Tezos is the product of many organizations and individuals. Here is the development and engineering team. They're frontiered in New York, protocols in London, New York with their senior software engineering, Paris with some software engineering, technical, London, Zug in Germany, Zug Switzerland and Germany. Here is some updates on Tezos' protocol and their development. and also some of information on their ecosystem. I'm going to go back and I'm going to read this for y'all. 22nd of April, Florence, the 6th Tezos upgrade proposal is in the new promotion period of the Tezos government process. This is one of the projects, aka known as Florence. Florence, the 6th Tezos upgrade proposal finished the testing period. Florence, more on Florence development. Umami wallet beta is officially online. A closer look into some ongoing developments around the Tezos ecosystem. The Madfish team has launched QuipUp Swap, the first DEX on Tezos, which is like Uniswap, or you know what I'm saying, Pancake Swap. And they have more information in the ecosystem with Ubisoft. Learn more about their NFTs. They have NFTs now, which are non-fungible tokens, digital artwork, and the Chinese community has tapped in with Tezos as well. So I'm pretty sure, they are tapping in with their cryptocurrency and blockchain tokens and developments as well. So that's good to see these companies, working together instead of, competing, because that's what cryptocurrency is about. It's all about these tokens, existing together and building on top of one another, because some of them are used in different ways, and when they come together, they can put their ideas together and make a payment system if one doesn't have a payment system. You know what I'm saying? And make NFTs if one doesn't have NFTs, graphic designing, anything you could think of. You could follow Tezos down here at any one of these applications and websites. Yeah, family, here's our private Discord group again, which is $20 monthly. You could also get Tezos on KuCoin and a few other exchanges. You can check that out on CoinGecko. You can contact me and I'll send you the link in my bio for KuCoin or any other exchange. Here is one of our offerings as well. Here's our academy, which we will be going up in price probably next month. So yeah, family, peace and love.